Welcome in this video where we are going to have some fun with GitHub Copilot. So in this video we will have a look at compound interests, on playing a bit with it, for example seeing which amount you need to invest to reach a target, if you invest each year at a given dividend rate. We'll see if GitHub Copilot can help us in this task. So let's get started. We'll create a function def compute compound interest. So principal interest here, okay. So perfect, this is the correct formula. This is the initial investment. This is your interest that is taken to the power of the number of years you invest. So we can maybe create a function to test that. Create test. Okay, I will not write it. I'll see if GitHub Copilot fills that. Okay, great. So let's just take a few of them. Okay, so we see the first answer is right. If I invest 1 year at 5%, I get 1,000. If I invest 1,000 euro, I get 1,050. But the second answer is not great. This one neither. Okay, there are issues there. So let's see. Neither. Okay, unfortunately, we can get the answers there. I think that will be 100, 100, and then there is the 5%. That should be 50 times 0.05, because there is an extra 5% on the 50%. So we can try this. As always, I prefer to use Jupyter Notebook for testing the code. So let's do that. Okay, it is working fine. If we invest for 3 years, we get 1,150. So these are the 5% for 3 years of the first of the principal, and then there is an extra 50% times 0.5. Okay, let me think. So this is the first. Okay, I will need to use the formula, so that will be useless because there is. I will just rewrite this over there, but you could just take some time, make the thing about it for in your head, and then just write the answer like this. But anyway, we'll just do that. We know the formula is great, so perfect. Maybe we can now get to something a bit more involved. Let's say we want to be a millionaire within 20 years. So let's say def amount to invest to reach target. Okay, so given a target, an interest rate on the number of years, that will give us the amount of money to invest to reach that target. So target minus 1,000, why is that? No, I'm not happy with that. I think that's the right formula, right? I think this is the formula. And then we can have the def test. The test should be easy to do there. Okay, so principal so let's say okay, and there is, let's say I want to reach 1,000 euro. If I invest over 10 years with 5%, that will give me the money I need to invest. But then what if I do this? If I do test compute compound, no, if I just call compute compound interest with the principal, the same interest on the same period, Now I should reach the target, which was 1000. So let's just do that for making things easier to understand. So let's try it. Okay, that's working well. We have the right formula. The test may not work because of this equal. There may be some floating points or some rounding due to arithmetics. But yeah, we could use something better than the equal. So now let's try that. So let's say I want to reach 1 million by investing at 0.5%. Let's do maybe 0.7 or 7%, sorry, and let's say we invest for 20 years. So that means we need to invest 258,000 euro over 20 years. So that would be a times 4 over 20 years, not bad. Maybe we can do a last step. We will plot amount to invest to reach target. So we'll take as input the target, and we will not take as input the interest. We want this to be a function of the interest. As a function of the interest. Okay, let's see. So, okay, we get the interest rates. For each interest rate, we get the amount to invest. Why is it dividing by 10? Okay, it's going from 1 to 10. So it's going then, it means it divides by 10, so it's going from 0, from 0.1 to 1%. But let's remove that. We will change this. Okay, and maybe we can just do this. Okay, perfect. And I'm pretty impressed that in both time the algorithm was returning interest that were between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 100%, so I'm pretty impressed by that. Okay, we can try that. Okay, we need to import matplotlib though. Import mat. Okay, perfect. So let's say we want to get 1 million over 20 years. Okay, is that 0%? Yeah, so we need to do in range 1 on 100. I don't like that much because we cannot really see things pretty well. So let's maybe use a log norm, maybe. Plot in log norm. Plot under log of the okay, let's see. Okay, but of course we have the log, which is not great because then we need to make the computation. What we could do is to change the in the axis. So what I will do there, I will just keep as it was. But that's great that we see that we can easily get the get Copilot to plot in the log norm if we wanted to. And let's just start from 50, for example. 50 times. So okay, let's just enter the value manually. So we'll do 0.01, 1%, for each range, we will go from 1 to 10. So that will go from 1 to 10%. That seems great. Okay, so that means if I invest at 5%, I need to start somewhere roughly around. Okay, let's say at 4%, I need to invest 400,000. At 8 or 9%, I need to invest only half as much. So we really see the impact of the interest rate. So yeah, I hope this video was entertaining and helpful. If it was, please leave the thumbs up. It really helps with the channel. And please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.